Story time. Cilantro roots or stems, garlic, and peppercorns formed a strong friendship often referred to as the Thai Holy Trinity. The pork ribs were introduced and decided to take a plunge into the pressure cooker. The three best friends joined in along with a touch of soy sauce, fish sauce, and sugar. While the ribs were subjected to the intensity of heat and flavor, Korean spices wanted to join the party. Gochujang and Gochugaru mixed with Canadian maple syrup, American ketchup, and garlic powder to create a sensational barbecue sauce. The harmonious barbecue sauce stepped in to add color and flavor to the pork. Then it was time to get thrown into the broiler. After 5 to 10 minutes, the ribs emerged happy and delicious, but they needed some more moisturizer. Topped with green onion and sesame seeds, they aim to bring joy to your taste buds and make your tummy happy.